Today we are going to unbox iPhone 15. Hey, what's up everyone, it's Ash here, and in this video we are going to unbox Apple's latest iPhone 15. The box of this phone is pretty similar to the last series. As you guys know, it's a part of efforts to reach environmental goals. Let's get straight into the unboxing and take a look inside. Opening it up, here it is a first look at the black color iPhone 15. Instead of a glossy finish, the color is infused with the back glass. There is a 5G antenna and power button on the right side. Moving along to the left side, there is a toggle for silent and ring plus volume rockers. Let's have a look at the back of the phone. What we get here is our dual camera setup with a glossy camera bump. I do really like the matte finished back with the infused color rather than getting a fingerprint magnet. Down at the bottom, we have microphones, a USB Type-C port, which is unlike other series, a new upgrade that Android phones have had for a while. Plus we have our speakers. Let's check out what else we get in the box. Designed by Apple in California, Apple stickers, a user guide, and information about your SIM cards. So this is a US variant, which means we have both eSIMs. And finally, Apple got rid of their lightning cable and joined the Type-C club. So this is a high quality braided Type-C to Type-C cable included in the box. The phone feels more comfortable to hold with those round edges, which makes more grip while using the phone without a case. Unlike previous devices, matte finish comes handy while using the device without a case, preventing a lot of fingerprints. And the color infused back does look great too. For a guy like me using this phone as a primary device, I need to fully protect it with a screen protector. Luckily, my previous phone's glass does fit pretty well with this one. Finally, it's time to power on the device. Dynamic Island on the base model is a new upgrade. It was not on the iPhone 14, but they did bring it over from the iPhone 14 Pro to the iPhone 15. After paying $799, you only get outdated 60Hz display. That's it for the unboxing. So is it really worth the price point? For that, you have to subscribe to the channel for the full review of the iPhone 15.